Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by accessing Recorder app. If you never used it before, select Allow in the pop-ups. When you're ready, tap on this red button at the bottom to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it by tapping on this right one. Add a bookmark by selecting left one. Or end it and save it by tapping on the middle one again. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it, you need to hold it. Click on Rename option at the bottom. Type in wherever you wish to and hit OK. If you want to get rid of it instead, hold it as well. But this time select this bin at the bottom in the middle and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!